this is one that I made earlier. You're just gonna draw 2 eyes, and I'm gonna draw a tongue like in my earlier video of the monkey if you saw it, and then a nose. So all you need is a black marker, a black Sharpie, sorry, and a red Sharpie. So you need whatever color balloon you want, and then a balloon pumper. So inflate your balloon. Okay, close it and tight it. Let some air out and tight it. After you tight it, straighten it out. Okay, so make like a 1-inch ball, or like a 2-incher, like this. Then, put it down and twist it. So you should have a little head and a face. Then make another ball, and then do this again. So you have a neck and a leg. Then do the same thing, but don't do a ball. And then that's how you make the duck. And that's like its neck and its body. And now, like I did with my other video earlier, my monkey one, bracelet, grab it, and to shape the tail, twist it down. Then give it a little massage. But don't squeeze too hard or else you'll pop it. So then your tail is shaped and your legs are good. Okay, so now let me show you how to draw the face. Grab your Sharpie, black Sharpie. Draw 2 eyes. Then draw a mouth across the border, the face. I did a little squiggly. Then draw a little nose. And now grab your other red Sharpie or whatever color you chose for the tongue. And you're gonna make a U shape. And draw a line, but not all the way. Or instead of that, you can pick to color it in. Your choice. And that's how you make a balloon dog. Thank you. And please subscribe and tell me what my next balloon should be. Thanks. Bye.